Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm going to go out for breakfast with Ron, and I thought I'd take the Kingbull Voyager 2, because I haven't had that out but a couple of times. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get it out, stick it out here. Now, we've been enjoying the Voyager 2, but I just had a problem with it. Let me share with you what problem I had. I went to pull the battery cable out, the battery charger, and I couldn't get it out. It was super, super tight. I had to use a pair of needle-nose pliers to grab a hold of it because I just could not pull it out. I don't know what's going on. We may have to shave that a little bit. It might be just a little too tight of a fit or something. All right, close. Woo! It is muggy. Oh my goodness. It is just, the humidity is just pouring off. Oh my gosh, this thing is so fast. Holy smokes. Should make sure my garage door closed. Yep, it did. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Holy smokes, this thing's quick. Let's bump it up into 5. Hit that throttle. We're cruising now. Throttle's limited to 20. I'm gonna have to check. I'm not real familiar with this display, but I've got another bike with this display on it now, and it seems like we made an adjustment there. There's my buddy Ron. Morning, Ron.
Ready, hot rod?
I am. We were just sitting here discussing how quick this thing takes off.
That's a nice bike.
It shoots off. I'm making a video about it.
Oh.
So yeah, let's go to breakfast. Look, the sun is rising. Isn't that pretty up there? Let's get going.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Hey guys, the Kingbull has a 750 watt motor, 15 amp hour battery. It's got a torque sensor. It's got hydraulic brakes. It's got a really super nice display. This is probably my new favorite display. I've only seen this one other time. It's got a really nice button pad because the button pad illuminates at night. It's got a separate button for the front headlight. It's got a horn button right here. Nice, moderate little horn, nothing too crazy loud. Left-handed thumb throttle. What's interesting about the thumb throttle over here on the left is that the handle grips are really small. I mean, it's smaller than normal. See that? So that is a lot shorter than normal. And so for a bigger hand like mine, it's like, oh, I can barely keep my hand on there. And then I got the thumb throttle right there, and I got big old long thumbs, see? So I can it's kind of hard for me to reach. But Kingbull does give you an extra full-size throttle. Watch this right here. Ooh, bumps. Ooh, ah. They do give you an extra full-size throttle that you can slip on over here. All you have to do is take all of these buttons and everything, the button pad and throttle and everything, and just loosen it up and scoot it over on the handlebar, and then go ahead and slip on the new grip. So it's pretty nice of them to do that. Another unique feature about this bike. Hey Ron, I'm going to stop. Another unique feature about this bike, guys, is that this is the first bike that I've had that comes with 2 kickstands. Grass. So you've got your traditional kickstand, and they give you the A-frame kickstand so that you can stand the bike upright, keep it nice and steady when you're loading passengers, children or something up here. And that's been a gripe that I've had for a long time, and that is, why do these cargo-style manufacturers only give you the A-frame? Because when you're not hauling children, it's so inconvenient to put the bike up and on and off the A-frame. Well, Kingbull solved that because they must have watched my videos, because they gave us 2 kickstands, which is super nice of them. All right, guys, here's a better look at that Kingbull. I'll tell you what. Come in here, hydraulic brakes, nice tires. Tires to keep it nice and quiet because you don't have the big knobs, right? But you still get a little traction on that. Have had it through the grass and things. I have not had this off-road, but I'm sure it'll do just fine. Wiring is wrapped real nice. The Zoom hydraulic brakes are working great. Again, we talked about the cockpit there. Battery compartment. Yeah, controller is down inside there. Just a nice bike. Don't care for the seat. Like most bikes, it's firm and hard, kind of small, so you got to get a nicer seat on there. Mag wheels just really kind of add to the look of this bike. I prefer mag wheels on a bike. I think it's Looks pretty stylish when they do that. So yeah, a lot of nice things about this bike. I hope you follow the link down below and go check it out. It just performs very well. I mean, my goodness, if you want to go fast, well, it is limited to 20 miles per hour at the moment, but you can go up to 28 if you pedal fast enough. But the fact that it's got a quick start, I mean, you hit that throttle and you just really take off and can get there up to speed super fast, which is really nice. It's a lot of fun. It's a fun bike. Check it out. Follow the link down below. Guys, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.